So this is our last day in Jasper.
It is.
Yeah. So we're gonna go exploring.
Hey, look, ladies. Oh shit.
Horny. We are at the basketballs. Yes, we are.
No slipping. No slipping allowed. Oh shit. There's no time. I gotta have fun. Oh no. Oh, cool. Sweet.
Sweet. Whoa.
I didn't mean to creep out that girl, but I had to do what I had to do. Good afternoon.
Yo. Yeah, we're in Edson right now. Just doing some stuff. What the hell? Yeah. Okay.
Well guys, we just stopped at the Esso in Edson after a long trip from Hinton, kind of. Just finishing Boston Pizza over there. We're just about to head home. We're a little bit closer now and we're waiting for everybody to come outside. They're buying some stuff. See you in St. Albert.
Oh yeah, I ate some Boston Pizza and I got the bird flu or something. Feel real sick. That's how much it cost
To fill up our gas tank.
to fill up the gas tank. That's outrageous. Why would they do that? They're starting to piss me off, those guys. Let's see, hey. World record is for the Guinness World fastest snare snapping drummer. Oh my lord. It's like nothing I've seen before. Oh yeah. Look at my new wheels I bought. Tidy whities, yeah.
He haven't got new wheels, $10 a sweet deal. He got new bearings. Everybody's staring at them.
Even. Hey, you know what? Who's staring at him? Drew's staring at him. He likes my wheels. Super sneak attack on Brett. Here we go. What is that thing? Like none I've ever seen before. Oh my lord, Brett, what do you guys say for yourself? Crazy montage time! Camera bye. Oh man, don't eat.
Shortcut time.
I love taking shortcuts.
We're taking a shortcut instead of going through the city.
If you don't know what these guys are talking about, we just took a shortcut from Edson to Edmonton.
Yeah, what he said.
not going to St. Albert. We're going straight home. Never mind Edmonton at all.
Oh, my face is real greasy now.
I'm so ugly.
I can't see it. Oh, bass drums. Oh, yeah, now I see them. Yeah, cool. I don't care.
Okay, we're in Barhead right now, just about home, a little bit closer. And, yeah.
I think it's crazy montage time.
God damn it.
They count as them. Mikey.
So yeah, we've been driving for about that's 6 hours.
6 hours long. Really?
Yes, 6 hours long. And so the whole thing is we've been traveling all around Alberta searching for that right woman.
Oh, there's a sniper in the house somewhere.
Where?
I saw a red laser. I see him. I see him. I'm gonna get him.
Oh, we saw him.
God, I shot him.
What the hell?
Oh my lord. It was you all along.
Oh my god. Alright, so this is the super last lowdown.
We're about half an hour away from Westlock, so we know we're getting home.
Tell him a bedtime story, Brett.
Once upon a time in a nursery rhyme, there was 3 bears.
Bow, bow, bow.
A mama bear, papa bear, and a little baby bear.
And Debbie too.
And a Brady bear.
And a Ramy bear.
And a Debbie bear walking through the forest one day, and I go home and I want to say that Brett is gay, so I eat some spaghetti with meatballs, and I want to go play at the community hall, Guitar Hero up every single day. Ba-ba dabba 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 dabba. Okay. What's up, homies? We're in town, and it's super dark in the west, so you can't see us.
Yeah, you can't see us.
Just imagine our faces on that screen there.
It's about 11:30 or something, and we're in Athabasca, so we should be home around 12.
This trip is really starting to piss me off, taking this long.
No doubt.
Yeah, but you can't see me, but I'm making a funny face right now.
I'm making out with Brett right now. You can't see me.
No, you're not.
Oh my lord.
Sickle. Stop it.
Well, what is this?
Ugh.
Was this in your mouth, Brett?
Oh, it smells like shit.
Okay, this is gross, guys.
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep on making out with Brett. I'll see you guys later.
Hey. This has been the.
Shut up, Brett. Shut up. Brett, I said shut up.
This has been the Jasper.
Brett, shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
Going in dark, all home alone, and we're driving home.
Going home. Go home. Acapella. Alright, I'm gonna stop the camera. It's probably
too cold outside. So
too
let's
cold
go home.
outside.